Hello, property owners and rental managers in Bengaluru and beyond. Are you providing legally valid rent receipts to your tenants? While some landlords think of rent receipts as a mere formality, in many jurisdictions, including several states across India, they are actually a legal requirement. Ignoring this essential task can lead to regulatory issues, tenant disputes, and a lack of transparency in rental transactions. In this video, we're taking you through the legal requirements for issuing tenant rent receipts, what needs to be included, and how to streamline the process to ensure full compliance and accountability. Whether you're an individual property owner or a professional property management firm, understanding these rules is crucial for staying on the right side of the law and maintaining a professional reputation. Know your local rental laws. The first step in managing rental compliance is knowing that rent receipt rules are jurisdiction-specific. For instance, in India, rent receipts are mandatory if tenants pay in cash or request a receipt in writing. In other countries or regions, the obligation may vary or apply only under certain circumstances. Check your local tenancy legislation, housing board guidelines, and any applicable municipal regulations. Being well-informed protects you from inadvertent legal violations and helps maintain professional property management standards. 2 situations where receipts are legally required. Even in places where rent receipts are not always mandatory, there are situations where they become a legal necessity. For example, if a tenant pays in cash, issuing a receipt is often compulsory. Similarly, when payments are made by check, bank transfer, or money order, some local rules require receipts, especially when tenants request them. Receipts are also needed for official uses like tax filings, visa applications, or proof of address. Knowing when to issue a receipt is key to meeting your legal responsibilities. 3 legal components of a valid rent receipt. A rent receipt must include specific information to be legally valid. These details generally include the landlord's and tenant's names, the property address, the rent amount received, day of payment, payment method, and the period the rent covers. In India, if the rent exceeds 5,000 Indian rupees, a revenue stamp may be required. Including a receipt number and the landlord's or property manager's signature adds authenticity. Some regions may also require PAN or GST details. Ensure your format complies with the regulations applicable to your area. For benefits of receipts for legal and tax purposes, issuing rent receipts not only benefits tenants but also protects landlords. They create an official paper trail of all rent transactions and can serve as legal evidence in the event of payment disputes or eviction cases. Rent receipts also assist with accurate income declaration for tax filings and provide documentation during audits. Tenants may need them for HRA deductions or visa purposes, which makes timely issuance a matter of trust and professionalism in property rental. 5. The role of e-receipts in digital transactions. In the digital era, many tenants use UPI and EFT or wallet-based apps for rent payments. While these generate a transaction reference, they do not replace a legal rent receipt. Even for online payments, you must issue an official e-receipt that captures the relevant legal details. Thankfully, property management apps can automate this process, creating, storing, and even emailing rent receipts with minimal effort. Embracing digital systems enhances compliance while simplifying your administrative workload. 6. Building a reliable receipt issuance process. To remain organized and fully compliant, adopt a consistent process for issuing receipts. Decide whether to issue receipts monthly, quarterly, or on demand. Keeping in mind your legal obligations, automate your system where possible using receipt templates or software that auto-generates receipts with pre-filled fields. A standardized approach reduces human error and ensures all tenants receive accurate documentation on time, reinforcing a positive tenant experience. 7. Keep a secure record of every receipt. Every rent receipt you issue should be securely archived. For landlords managing multiple properties, keeping an organized database, either digitally or physically, is essential. Record each receipt in chronological order and categorize them by tenant. If you're going digital, use encrypted and password-protected systems to prevent data breaches. Well-maintained records are essential for financial reviews, taxation, or legal defense during rent disputes or audits. 8. Managing late or partial payments with receipts. When tenants fall behind on rent, it's critical to document all transactions, including partial or late payments. Each payment must have a separate receipt, clearly stating the amount received and the balance due. Include notes to indicate the delay or shortfall. This clarity helps avoid disputes and ensures both parties agree on the rent status. Adding a balance due line on receipts is a simple yet powerful practice. 9. Inform tenants about their right to a receipt. Many tenants may not know they're entitled to a rent receipt. It's in your best interest as a landlord to proactively communicate this. Explain your rent receipt policy during tenant onboarding and include in the lease agreement or welcome kit. This builds credibility and avoids unnecessary confusion. Transparency in this process promotes a healthy landlord-tenant relationship. 10. Avoiding errors that could lead to disputes. Mistakes in rent receipts can lead to compliance issues or disputes. Common errors include not mentioning the rental period, using vague terms like rent paid, or forgetting the date or sign the document. These issues can compromise the legal standing of the receipt. Review your format regularly to ensure it meets legal standards and reflects any regulatory updates. Accuracy and clarity are crucial for avoiding unnecessary conflicts. Bonus tip: leverage property software or pre-printed books. Using pre-printed rent receipt books with standard fields can help reduce errors. For a more efficient approach, consider using reliable property management software. Tools like Buildium, Rentec Direct, No Brokerhood, and MyGate simplify rent tracking, automate receipt generation, and store digital records, all while helping you remain legally compliant. These tools are especially valuable for those managing multiple tenants or properties. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the SANGAU channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our expert tips on property management, legal compliance, and smarter rental practices in Bengaluru. See you in the next video.